is a Fox 17 winter weather alert.
Welcome back, everybody. The seasonal tally of snow in Grand Rapids officially as of this morning with the climatology report was 8.2 inches. I think after the system goes by, we're still going to be in single-digit territory for the year. But we are going to add on to that 8.2 inches. Already have. I went outside recently and measured just shy of a half inch on top of my car here at Fox 17. You can see visibilities, they're reduced a bit, but it's not a real heavy snow. The snowflakes are really tiny and fine, and that's helping to keep the accumulation rates, pretty reasonable. We're not just stacking it up out there, and I think the snow stays on the light side here in Grand Rapids. Now, there may be a couple episodes where it picks up in intensity to some degree, but with this light snow, the cumulative effect is going to be about an inch to an inch and a half, I think, in GR. More so, though, down to the south, or, better accumulations. Talk more about that coming up. 25 degrees by 11 o'clock tonight. I think by daybreak tomorrow morning, we're dropping closer to 20 degrees, though, as this system kicks out of here, and we're left with a few weak spots in the clouds in the overnight. So, trying to grasp onto a little radiational cooling there for a few hours in the overnight. So that'll be why we drop down to 20 degrees. Plus, the atmosphere is pretty cold as well overall. Winter weather advisories in these purple shaded counties. Seems like I've said that way too many times over the past few hours. But yeah, this is where the advisories are. Does not include Kent County. It is over towards Ottawa and then southward into Allegan, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, also Cass and Berrien counties, where the amounts of, say, a couple inches, I think those will be the most common amounts, right around 2 to 2.5 inches, and somebody maybe even get a little bit more than that. So we'll keep tabs on this system. It is starting to pick up a little bit more so now across Van Buren County. We had this main zone of snow showers over Ottawa and northern Allegan County for a while there, say at the 4 and 5 o'clock hour, but now beginning to settle southward. This was the expectation off the models, that the best snow amounts were to be south of I-96, south of Grand Rapids, and it's starting to work its way in that direction as we speak. You can see some of the light purple colors, though, over Kent County, so it is coming down methodically. It's just taking a while to accumulate out there. A bit of more so of a band over northern Allegan County at this point. I think some of those deeper purples are going to start to grow further southward. And again, the best zone for accumulation is going to be Allegan County, Van Buren, particularly the northern half of Berrien County, northern half of Cass County. And then once you get into Kalamazoo County, the further to the east you go, amounts are going to taper off pretty significantly. But you've got an opportunity maybe to pick up a couple inches in Kalamazoo from this weather disturbance. Still snow showers out across Wisconsin and northern Illinois. So this disturbance still has some real estate to track across before we can start to tone down the snow showers. So we've got to go through probably 10, 11 o'clock tonight. I think towards midnight, we're really tapering it back in Grand Rapids. Here's the model at 9:30, and this heavier snow band just to the south of I-96 as we go from 9 to 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, settling it southward with the heaviest snow showers. And then by 1, 2 in the morning, it's completely getting out of here. So the expiration time on the advisory is 4 a.m., but the bulk of this is done well before then. Couple flurries overnight, even a few weak spots in the clouds. That'll be critical to determining just how low the mercury can go by tomorrow morning. I would anticipate low 20s, perhaps even a couple degrees lower than that. So as you head outdoors early on that middle day of the work week, that would be Wednesday tomorrow, it's going to be cold. Have your winter coat, and winds picking up through the day tomorrow. I mean, it's going to be quite wind chilly out there. Feeling like the lower teens, I think, with daytime highs in the mid-20s. We will continue to rise, though, tomorrow evening, and I'll tell you why in a moment. There's the snow amounts on the graphic. Fox 17 planner, I've got 25 tomorrow. Now, the official high that goes into the record books is likely to be closer to 30 because we'll get there around midnight into Thursday morning. There's going to be a system, a clipper, passing north of Lake Superior. The southwest flow out ahead of it draws our temperatures up on Thursday into the mid-30s, and then the cold front in association with that system comes slamming down, and the air behind it looking a little bit cooler actually today versus yesterday. So I've got highs in the mid-20s, Doug, for Friday and Saturday. I think Sunday there might be a lot of accumulation. I'm going to keep my eyes on that. I'll talk more at 10 and 11 o'clock tonight.